What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Before we jump into this, and we're going to be jumping into this quick, today is Tuesday. No, it's not just Tuesday for you. It's actually Tuesday for me. I came out here on Monday in the freezing bitter cold, still recovering from the flu, and none of my video or audio worked. When I got home, we had about 2.5 hours worth of work. Completely gone to waste because one of my audio cables decided to go bad, so we had no audio for any of the video footage yesterday. So that means we have to come out here. I had to cut the list down to make it smaller because we have a limited amount of time. They only let you out here for 3 hours today, and we're wasting time. So we got to rush through this. So number one on my list was an Infiniti. It's a 35, an FX35. It's an 09, 144,000 miles on the odometer. Damage to the back end here, right here, more right there. What I noticed about this is I didn't see any buckling, which is a good sign. I didn't see any buckling on the other side either. So it really looks like the majority of the damage is just down here fairly low. Should be easy to fix. And in fact, hold on, there's parts back here. I didn't see that yesterday either. Oh, we got the tail. Oh. All right. Oh man, look down there. Look at the crash. And that I did not see yesterday. I came out here yesterday and looked at this. I didn't realize it was that bad. Okay, well, hey, now you know. I saw the bumper popped out, and I was like, that's nothing. Yeah, that's something. That's definitely something. That's a problem. Beautiful interior, though. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Good looking headliner. Back seats look good too. I don't really care for the rear end collisions, guys. I don't know if you've noticed that, but whenever you see me buy wrecked cars, I buy them wrecked on the side, I buy them wrecked on the front, but in the rear, I just don't like it because I don't have any of the tools or equipment necessary to be pulling that type of metal and straightening it out. Whereas the sides, the front, most of this stuff is just bolt on, unbolt them, bolt your new parts back on, and you're good to go. So for that reason, I'm walking away from the 35. Next on my list is a 2011 Ford Mustang GT that I was really interested in. I don't know, guys. In the pictures, it didn't look like it was so tweaked, but in person, I don't know if you can see this on camera. It looks like it's been pushed over. I don't know. That has me concerned about frame damage. Now, I look at the frame rails down here, and they actually look pretty good. Unfortunately, I can't see further back, but I have seen in the past where the frame rails look good. You think it's straight, but what happened is the frame rail kinked over here where you can't see it. It's in a very unpleasant place to get fixed, very expensive place to get fixed. So, kind of leery about this one. I'm also a little leery about these giant scoops. I'm sorry, guys. If these have any real functional purpose, feel free to comment below. But to me, it looks like all they do is collect large quantities of air and then try to force it all out the tinier hole, which actually creates more drag. Big spoiler. Maybe this all is to help with downforce on the back here. I don't know. The rear of the car looks good. The tires look good. The rims look good. This side, we've got some damage over here. There's some damage to the quarter. There's some damage to the door right here. Obviously, the whole front end, we got suspension damage here. The whole doghouse is done. I don't even think the hood survived this one. Headlights are gone. The grille is gone. Bumper cover is done for. And the door. This door over here is done too. There's just a lot of damage, and I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this silver makes it kind of difficult to see. Damage to this quarter panel. I mean, just about every panel on this car has been damaged. I don't know if we can get this hood. Hey, there's a programmer in here. Look at that. Okay, came with a programmer. That's nice. A lot of times when people send these things off to auction when they're wrecked, they don't include the programmer. So that's actually kind of a cool bonus feature there. All right, beautiful Coyote motor. It just wouldn't be right to be under here and not try to fire this thing up, right? we got to. Hey, you know what? I just realized this. There's that SRT. Yeah. How about that? It's still here. All right. Let's throw the key in it. See if this is gonna run. Oh, this one's dead. Dead as a doornail. What is this? Garage door opener or something? Money clip? I don't know. All right, let's put a jump on this. Try to start it up. Truthfully, that's unimpressive. That's. I expected the exhaust to be really loud on this one. Oh, that smells awful. That's rotten. That gasoline is rotten. How long has this thing been sitting for? Take a look up here. Oh, 5 of 19. It's been sitting almost a year. Wow. Oh yeah, you can see all the rust caked on the rotors. I'm not revving it much, only to about 2,000 RPM. It sounds healthy, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This one is just too much. Damage to the pillar too. I just caught that as well. There's just too much going on here, guys. Next on my list is a 2000 Jaguar Xk8. Yeah, I wish it was an XKR, but I still like the body style of the Xk8. It's one of those you either love it or you hate it type deals. Now it's an older Jaguar, so you know reliability isn't isn't something that you should take lightly on this, because these cars generally require lots of maintenance and lots of repairs. People don't tend to take very good care of them, and they get passed along to people like you and me. Now the top looks to be in good condition. The body looks to be in good condition. 144,000 144,000 miles on the odometer. Do you see this? Look at this. There's water. Look at that. The door is full of water. So something is obviously leaking here. Let's pop the hood. This one is listed as a non-runner. I'd be curious to see if it cranks though. Non-runners don't necessarily scare me too much as long as they crank and it sounds like it's cranking in a healthy manner. The engine looks to be in relatively good condition. I don't see, you know, a blown up intake. And yes, I've seen intake manifolds blown completely apart. I don't know. Unfortunately, this hood won't stay up. So just kind of have to do some preliminary checking and try not to smash my fingers here. I would like to put a jump on this and see if possibly. No, maybe not. I don't see anywhere to jump the thing. Maybe right there? I don't know. That's not a very good jump point, to be honest with you. I don't think I want to try that, especially one-handed, you know what I mean? This is dangerous. I'm literally holding the hood up with my head here. So forgive me. I do want to try to start this thing up, but not. Maybe that's the jump point over there. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm going to give it a shot, but I'm going to have to put the camera down to do it. So we should have power if everything worked out, and it looks like it did. So at least we could put the key in. Oh, the key's already in. This is a good sign. System check, engine coolant low. Engine coolant low is not a good sign, but bonnet open. Oh. Nope. Pass on that one. So, low coolant. It cranks as if there's no compression. So these are also known for issues with the timing chain guides. So it could have a timing chain failure, could have a head gasket issue, cooling system issue. Either way, that cranking is completely unhealthy. And nope. Oh, the door doesn't close either. Pass on that one. Anybody remember the Chrysler New Yorker, also known as the Dodge Diplomat? Wow. Goodness gracious. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a Fifth Avenue. My bad. A Fifth Avenue. Forgive me, guys. It's been a while. Came with a 318 V8 with the that weird electronic. Oh, what did they call that under the hood here? Oh, it's written on the air cleaner right there. It's like electronic spark something or other. I know this car very well because my dad had one when I was little. It spent more time not running than it did running. Wow. The lights and everything came on too. Boy, those were the days. Next is a ridiculously cheap 2017 Camaro Ss, guys. Man, you can find some good deals out here. This car's sitting at $7,000, and I'll tell you what, I paid $30,000 for mine. So this is a steal of a deal. Oh. Oh man. Never mind. I didn't realize the I knew it was going to be wrecked. I didn't know it was wrecked like this, like it's missing a third of the back end of the car. My goodness. There's your valved exhaust. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, this thing is in bad shape. Oh, the fender, the front too? Wow, look at that. Non-runner. Yeah, it's just done, man. That's done. I mean, the interior doesn't, the interior smells. That's awful. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I can't do this one. Something. Have you ever been to the zoo and smelled the elephant enclosure or the hippopotamus? Pick either one, hippopotamus or elephant enclosure. That's what this smells like. Oh great, it's sleeting on me. Lovely. We've got so much more to do and I have ice falling on my head, so moving on to the next one. Last on the list for today. That's right, we're already at the end. Told you guys it's going to be a short video just because of massive time constraints due to technical difficulties yesterday, the fact that the auction is starting soon, and I'm trying to plan a trip to Florida. So forgive me. You are watching this on the day it is recorded. It is Tuesday. So here we have a 2014 Mustang GT. A little bit of carnage for you guys because this car, I mean, you want to talk about a car that took it from all angles. Man. And it looked clean too. Like this was real clean. It was. Man. Maybe the Mustang ran into the Camaro. No keys, non-runner, 51,000 miles, E-Bach. What do you think? Real or fake? Anybody can put stickers on their car. Well, the inside took it like a champ, man. The inside actually looks pretty decent. And even the back and like just everything. Everything on this car. It's such a shame, man, because this was a beautiful, beautiful car. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look back here. No, they weren't BSing. E-Bach. So, yeah. And that's an aftermarket rear sway bar as well. Yeah. Okay. And aftermarket links. So yeah, they were not BSing. The stickers actually belong on the car. How about that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for this walk around. I know it was short. I do apologize, but there's so much going on. We got to get out of here, and I got to get more done. Now, I really didn't see anything out here today that I was interested in at all, but stay tuned because there's a couple cars I am definitely interested in that are going to be coming up later in the week, and we'll see how those go. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds, and hey, leave a like if you enjoyed the content. Keep in mind, I'm out here trying to do this sick as a dog, all right? So I'm doing the best I can with the time that I have available. I apologize if you didn't like the video, but please subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And until next time, stay safe out there, buddy. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.